Hello, children! Welcome to English class with MA. Today, we're going to have our reading lesson. Let's get started. She has a pan. Again, she has a pan. It's your turn, children. She has a cat. Again, she has a cat. It's your turn, children. She has a box. Again, she has a box. It's your turn, children. She has a hat. Again, she has a hat. It's your turn, children. He has a cup. Again, he has a cup. It's your turn, children. He has a bib. Again, he has a bib. It's your turn, children.